So, welcome back. I'm going to click on the blue E icon there. It's the Internet Explorer. That'll start the browser up, or I can click on this search bit here and type things in. So I'll type in Internet, and there's Internet Explorer as well. I'm not sure if they're both exactly the same, because I noticed the blue icon's a bit different. I didn't even spell internet properly there either. It's possibly the other one, which I can't remember what it's called now. Yeah, Microsoft Edge. So I'll click on Microsoft Edge first to see what happens. So it's loaded up. Microsoft Edge is just another browser that Microsoft provide. It's supposed to be faster than the previous one, the Internet Explorer. I'm going to type in Office 365 in this little search box here and press enter. And what I want to do is basically find the online version of Office and all its different kind of online tools by just doing a web search. And I see down here there are different options. One does say Office 365 login, so I'll go there and see if it automatically logs me in, which it might just do, and it has. I've obviously used some of the services before, like Word online, and it's basically noticed I'm here. So looking at it just now, and these are the things that it looks like I can get access to. So there's your email account. If you're using this sort of software, it gives you access to online email. There's OneDrive, which we'll be looking at. That obviously will bring up the information about OneDrive. Let's click on it, see what happens. May as well see what happens. And there you go, there's the OneDrive we've been looking at before. So that's easy. Now we know how to get there, which means that must be Word Online. Yep, it's asked me to make a new document. I'll do something with it, fair enough. Go back one there. Don't know what I've done there. Okay, I went too far over. Oh, there we go. I must have clicked twice. So there's Word, that's your word processor. And other tools as well, so it gives you access to something called Excel, which is a spreadsheet tool. PowerPoint for making presentations. OneNote for making collaborative notes online that people can be shared with. SharePoint's some sort of thing related to making web pages and sharing information in different ways. Teams is about working as teams. Class Notebook is related to this thing called OneNote, and it's for people who can create classrooms, like myself. Sway is like making a sort of web page type looking thing, and Forms is for making forms so people can fill in online. So all these different things here are like online tools. I'm sure people have got more or less when looking at just now in their own system. You might have more than me or less than me. Apparently there's an explore all your apps. Let's have a look. What's it saying here? It's just basically giving me some guff. There you go, there's a calendar. Do you want to know about a calendar? Not really. No idea what this Delph thing is. It's giving you a sort of bit of text on it. So these are things apparently I do have access to probably, but I don't want to reuse them at the moment. I'm just interested in the basics at the moment. So again, I'll hit back by clicking there, it looks like. Yeah, that's it. And I'm back here again. So this Office 365 thing is all about having online tools. I do notice the option that says install Office in mine. No doubt I can download this and install it on a machine if I want to, but I already have it on this machine because I just need to type in things like Word, and it appears here, Word 2016 at the time. Yours may say install Office, yours might not say that. If it does say that, it means you can download the offline versions of the tools that are slightly more powerful as well. And down here, yeah, I can upload a file if I want to, or make a brand new file. And here's some recent stuff apparently I've been playing with as well, and other stuff as well, just things I've been looking at over the last couple of days. So that's basically it. That's the main interface for Office 365. And again, I suggest if you're interested in that, you should maybe try that out.